Hi guys, welcome to TechSolve YouTube channel. Today I will guide you on how to change account on Google Play Store. This video will show you different methods you can use to change your account. So guys, ensure you watch the video to the end since you don't know the method that might work for you. Also, if you find the video useful, like the video, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Without wasting much time, let's begin with the first method. Alright, open the Google Play Store on your device and tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. The next thing you want to do is to tap on the arrow facing down to expand the option, and this is where you can change account. You can see the list of Google accounts in your Google Play Store. You can just tap on any one to either switch or change the account. Alright, I'll just tap on this, and as you can see, the account has been changed, the interface has been changed. Okay, so what if the account you want to change to is currently not on your device? What will you do? You just tap on this option, add another account. Just tap on it and it's processing, it's loading. You can either enter your fingerprint or your password, your PIN. Once it's loaded up, you'll see the option to enter the information of the Google account you want to change to. Alright, this is it. So you have to enter the information. If it's to create a new account, if you want to change to a new account, you just tap on the create account option below, then you tap on next and follow the prompt or information provided, and that is it. This is how you can switch accounts from the list provided. Now method 2 is to change Google account in the device setting. Alright, so exit the Play Store and go to your phone setting. Open up the phone setting. Okay, the next thing you want to do is to scroll till you find password and account, or account, whichever you are provided with. Just tap on it to open it. In this page, what you want to do, you can see the list of Google accounts on your device. So what you want to do now is to scroll all the way to the bottom and tap on the add account option with the plus icon. Tap on it and select Google from the option. Once it is loaded up, you can enter your fingerprint or use your PIN to confirm and verify you are the one taking the action. Once it is loaded up, you have to enter the information of the Google account you want to switch to, just like the one in Play Store. Enter the email or the phone number, or if it's to create a new account. Once you're done, you tap on next, and this is how you can change or switch accounts both from Google Play Store and from your device setting. Why method 3 is an additional method, it works particularly if you want to remove a Google account from your device. I've made a previous video on how to remove Google accounts both from the Play Store and the device setting, so I'll just talk briefly on how to remove a Google account from your device setting. So open up your settings, then tap on password and account again. Then you can see the account list of accounts, Google accounts on your device. You just tap on the one you want to remove and tap on remove account. Confirm your action and tap on remove account again. You might be asked to enter your PIN or your fingerprint, verify your fingerprint to confirm you are the one taking this action. And that is it. This is how you can change or switch accounts on Google Play Store and also delete a Google account from Play Store. It's very easy. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching guys. Bye and see you in the next video.